Unboxing time! Let's open together this beautiful gift from Manucurist. Oops! What we have here? Now you can see better. Hello, nous sommes Manucurist, une marque de beauté clean, green and made in France. We are Manucurist, a clean and green beauty brand made in France. Manucurist is a French brand specialized in gel polishes, and here is some information in French and English as well. Their mission is colors and nail care products that make you smile, in part because they are clean as possible. Their products are formulated without bad ingredients. In fact, they use raw materials derived from plant biomass such as potato, cotton, manioc and sugarcane. They prefer eco-friendly packaging materials whenever possible. So let's see what we have here. But first, I do like this. Oh my god, I like to play with this paper. But what it is, I don't know. They are very well covered. And the reason why I wanted to try their products, guys, is because they say that their products are 90% plant-based and they are a gel alternative. As you saw so many times, I think in my stories, I'm doing my nails once a month. And my nail technician usually do gel overlay because my nails are so thin, so easy to break. I can't use a regular nail polish because I can't grow my nails. Even sometimes I want them to keep natural, but I can't because they don't grow if they don't have any product, you know. And I'm so curious to try gel polishes from Manucurist because they say it's a gel alternative, and I really want to take a break from the gel, you know, as they say that is a more healthier way to keep your nails healthy and beautiful. Why not? Let's try them. I'll take everything out, guys, so quickly, and then I'll show you what I have here because I don't want to make a lot of noise, as here is a lot of paper. So here we have, first of all, LED nail polish base coat, green flash, instant dry extra long wear, that looks like this. The next is LED nail polish taupe coat, instant dry extra long wear. Here I have two colors from the same range, green flash, LED nail polish old rose, and LED nail polish red cherry. I chose these two colors because, first of all, the classic red that I in love with, because this is a very feminine and elegant color, so classic, so chic, so beautiful, and I especially like to wear red on my nails when they are short. And the next color is old rose, again a very beautiful color that I usually like to wear on my nails. I love to wear especially summer, spring, but I think it's a classic color as well because it's so beautiful, so feminine. I didn't open it, but I think it's a classic red, more like a dark red I can say, because you know what, I don't really like light red, I like more dark colors when it comes to red color. Let's see how it smells. It smells like a regular polish, guys. And another one, let's see the color. Yes, it's this beautiful pink beigey color. Oh my god, I love it, I love it. I can't wait to try them on my nails. And as you see, this time, because I knew that I have to receive this package, I asked my nail technician to do my nails very natural, and I applied just gel overlay, and then I can try myself these colors at home, because this set, the brand say that it's so easy to use at home, even though I don't know so much about nails because I'm a makeup artist, but I think I can manage it. Of course, you have all the information how to use them on the Manucurist website. In this bottle I have LED nail polish remover, moisturizes and soothes, 96% biosource ingredients. Let's see how it smells. Like acetone, and it looks like this, and it has 100 milliliters. And here I have 5 remover clips, and I think I have to use it with this nail polish remover. And the last product from the kit is this lamp LED for green flash polish. Do not cause skin pigmentation, and let's see how it looks. And I have here a manual as well. Manucurist. Oh, I have nice stickers as well. I love it. I think I have to stick it on the lamp to be more glamorous. Why not? And let's see the lamp. Oh, she's so cute. Yes, I like it. I love it. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. So professional. Here is the charger, I think. Yes. And these are all the products from the set. I think you are supposed to use first the base coat, then dry it in the lamp. And as you see, here you have 3 buttons, base, color and taupe. I think for every product you have to press the special button for base, for color and for taupe. After drying the base coat, you're supposed to apply the color, which one you prefer. Again, dry it in the lamp, and the last product you have to apply is this taupe coat. Of course, you have to dry after this product as well. And you're supposed to have a beautiful manicure that will last up to 10 days. And it's easy to do it at home, so I'm so excited to try them all out. Of course, first I will try them on this manicure over the gel, because I've done my nails recently a few days ago and I don't want to remove again the gel. And after this, of course, I will try them on my natural nails as well. But I can also try them on my pedicure when I'll find some free time in a comfortable space. Why not? I think it's so important to take care of your nails, of your face, of you in general, because it makes us to feel more beautiful. So this was the unboxing, guys. I hope you liked it. Have a beautiful day. Bye!